In this video I'm going to show you how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. As you can see, I have entered some data to use in our chart. Now we have some products and of course the quantity which we have in stock. So for the next step we need to select the first product, and after that we will go to Insert, then select Chart, and as you can see, by default the pie chart is selected. Now you can resize it by dragging the corners up and down, and you can also change the colors. You can go to Customize. Here you can change the chart style and change the colors of the chart border and things like that. Now the next step is maybe change the axis. You can also change the titles to pieces or to stock, for example, stock in pieces. And now you have changed the title. And this is basically how you create a pie chart in Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!